Downers Grove North has Gabriella Efren in 2. Position 3, Courtney Clayton from Rockton Hononegah. Bennett Academy's Kaylin Healy in position 4. Lincoln Way has Mabola Rotobi in position 5. Britton Petrie in position 6 from Schaumburg. St. Ignatius Colleen McNulty in 7. Taylor Wickware in position 8 from Geneva. Evanston Jahnell Horton in position 9. Position 11 as Aaron Fitzgerald from Plainfield South. Position 12, Michelle Frigo from York. Glenbard East, Lindsay Rakosnik fills the field. Your final for the 3A 800-meter run.
Call for the 4x2 to the tent. Call for the 4x200 to the tent. Lindsay Rakosnik of Glenbard East, very strong race yesterday, leads this field. Gabriella Efrain of Downers North, you saw in that championship 4x8. Early leader here from position 8 is position 3 is Clayton of Hononegah. Brockton, Hononegah, followed by that looks like Rakosnik and Horton of Evanston. You'll see Horton later on a 4x4 anchor. Hononegah, next Rakosnik, third Horton, fourth is Rotibi of Lincoln Way North, now with 400 to go. Again, we've called the 4x2s to the tent. Rakosnik with the lead. Into the backstretch, Horton is second. Rotibi third for Lincoln Way North. Hononegah, Courtney Clayton is fifth. Then comes Efron of Downers North leading the second group, and maybe Wickware coming up for Geneva. 8 is Wickware, trying to close the gap, but your leader is Rakosnik of the Glenbard East Rams. Rakosnik, here comes Clayton to the outside for second. Rotibi is third, Horton fourth. Now York coming up with Michelle Frigo. Michelle Frigo and Wickware battle for third. The win to Rakosnik. Clayton is second. Frigo third for Elmhurst. Taylor Wickware fourth for the Geneva Vikings. Rakosnik 2:11:08 for Glenbard East, the state champion in the 800. Clayton is second for Rockton Hononegah. Frigo with the great effort in the last 100, third, 2:13:59. Taylor Wickware of Geneva will be fourth in this race. Efrain fifth for Downers North. Rotibi sixth for Lincoln Way North. There's your 800 in Class 3A.
Your runner-up for the time of 2 minutes, 12.97 seconds from Rockton Hononegah, Courtney Clayton. And your state champ for the time of 2 minutes.